So as you can see here, we already have our quote made. If you look on the top left hand of the screen, you'll see pros quote, the quote name, the corresponding account, and opportunity. You might be asking yourself, are we in Salesforce? Are we in Smart CPQ? The answer is we are in both. Smart CPQ integrates seamlessly into your CRM provider so that the sales reps can access it with their convenience and create quotes with ease. We're going to jump straight into the catalog here. And as this loads up, you'll be able to see a bunch of different products that we have for this particular company: appliances, electrical components, hardware, a lot of different select for sale items. But for this example here today, we're going to be configuring an HVAC system just to show you the true power that we have in our Smart CPQ platform. To show you, as a dumb salesperson myself, I'll be able to create a HVAC system from scratch without really much prior knowledge of air conditioning systems. So we're going to jump straight into here. We have two different building types here: commercial and residential. This example, we're going to go for residential. Immediately you see our options become limited. Our Smart CPQ platform is literally guiding the seller into creating a particular product for this specific customer and making sure you're not, there's no room for error. So for this example, we're going to go with a 5,000 square foot home, say 3 doors and 10 windows. Enter, we are good to go. So for our base system here, we can go for the platinum option. And right when we click that, you can see a preview in the middle of the screen. This is really powerful stuff for our field sales rep. In case you have them going into residential homes, they can show the customer what they're actually buying, help them visualize it, and literally guide them through the buying process and be there with the journey with them. So we're going to choose just a normal basic air handler here, and we'll have it fit to code. We move on here to filters. And here we'll just choose basic 20 by 20 option, enter in on U2, select and move on. Now, system components. One thing that I wanted to highlight here is we have two different options for demand control ventilation. And right when I click one, you see certain options become incompatible. That's our constraint-based engine within our Smart CPQ at work. Sellers that don't have much product knowledge, aren't as experienced as tenured sellers, it eliminates the room for error. And if they try clicking on these incompatible options, it won't allow them to add it to their quote. Great thing about our Smart CPQ platform is that you'll be able to configure this. All of this is a very highly configurable platform. So you'll be able to create this without any coding at all. So you can even have your sales managers set these parameters for their reps. Another cool thing that I wanted to highlight is this optimize button over here. So right when I click that, you can see all the different criteria that we have here: price, air quality, efficiency. Like I said, it is very highly configurable. For this specific example, if we go through price, air quality, and efficiency and press search, we can see all of it laid down for us, the air quality, efficiency, price. We also have the corresponding system components on there. Let's choose efficiency. We're not sparing any expense here. And keep in mind that the optimization that I just opted for actually is taking into account what I set for this demand control ventilation. So moving on to home service over here. For our service option, let's say we're going with filter monitoring. Oh, but there's our constraint-based engine hitting again, and we're not allowed to move forward unless we choose our Smart Hub. So let's go ahead and select that. Let's say we want an extended warranty on that, so 2 years, and we want parts and compressors. Now, after we made all those selections, we can add it to quote, and so we know that we made all the right decisions, and we aren't creating a product that isn't compatible with each of the parts that we chose. Let's add that to our quote. And then we can head over to pricing, and everything that we just selected is laid out for us right here, easy for the sales rep to see.